How to restore deleted calendar events on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on calendar app. So if you want to restore calendar event, so click on this three line icon. So after click on this three line icon, click on trash. So after click on trash, you will see your deleted calendar is here. So if you want to restore and recycle, so click on edit. So after click on edit, so select calendar from here. So if you want to restore, so after select calendar, click on restore. So after click on restore, you will see your event calendar is restored. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can restore calendar deleted calendar event on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.